Randy Bowen. Misdemeanor possession, assault, felony possession for sales. You can't help but break the law, can you? What's with the forehead? Well, you got that bruise somehow. Want me to add leaving the scene of an accident to the list?
It's a fender bender, not my fault.
Sure about that. Because your car and the Ferrari both rented.
So what? It's a coincidence.
You're a local. Why do you need to rent a car?
I can't afford one all the time, so I rent one when I can.
What were you doing all night before you fender bended?
What was I doing? Shooting pool. A place called, QT.
How'd you play? Did you win any money?
You know, you win some, you lose some.
Guess that would be lose some. How much?
10 grand.
That's a lot of money for a guy like you.
I've had worse nights.
I'm sure you have. You're having one now. Are these the guys you played?
Yeah.
Now there's a coincidence because they were in the Ferrari, which makes you a very sore loser.
So I robbed him a little. It was a stupid thing to do.
Not as stupid as killing him.
With that kid, he's dead.
Yeah.